Hello, ladies, gentlemen, back with another DIY. This time, changing out this for this. Difference, got a USB. Trying to become more modern, you know. I'm actually put two of these in our bedroom, one on my side and one on my wife's side. So, yeah. But, yeah, so the tools you need is for this one, flathead, Phillips. I got my drill. Possibly pliers. Reason being is because you can see like this ground wire is curved. I don't know if you kind of see the curve. So you're gonna need to straighten them out. Reason being is because you can stick them straight in there. See the sides right there? You can stick them straight in there or whatever. So, yeah, you're going to need your pliers. And then, most importantly, you're going to need your tester. Now, since I already have uninstalled the old plug, I can't show you, but, I can explain. So, when you plug it in, when you plug this in, and the lights come on, you can kind of see right. Yeah, we got it. Nice little focus right there. That bottom one, it says correct, and you got white, or in other words, blank, orange, orange. That is what you want. Correct. You don't want anything else except that. So this one won't light up. These two will light up. So once you plug it in, you see the orange light, go to your circuit breaker. Go to your circuit breaker and turn these off. Your circuit breaker is normally found in your garage or possibly a closet. That's at least that's what I normally see them in. So once you cut it off from the circuit breaker, all of these lights should cut off. So we cut off, right? Okay. Yeah, so we're cut off. So let's get started. So we're gonna grab the white side. We're gonna kind of bend these up, bend your black up. We're gonna go with the white side first. And I didn't show you on this. This also has a label, so it's like you can't really get it wrong. See, white, then you got the blanco, whatever. Then you have the hot. The hot is going to be the black. So white, black, and each wire, you got two white wires. So one is going to go in here, and one is going to go in here. Then the black wire, one is going to go in here, and one is going to go in here. Then you got your ground. You just stick your ground around, curve it around, drill it down, you're good. So, back to what I was saying. Excuse me, let's get started. So we're going to stick the white wire, make sure. You got to check 1,000,000 times, check. Better safe than sorry. You're going to stick your white wires in there. Don't matter if it goes through like that, that's fine. Because technically they're touching because they have this gold part that kind of unites them both. And so we're going to drill that down. You want it nice and tight. Nice and tight. You know what? Oh, what do you know? I had one right here in the drawer. So, I don't know if you can kind of see, but this wire has a little extra exposed wire, and it's being as though we're going to have to bend and tuck the wires back off into the wall. you don't want no possible chance of them touching. So get you some electrical tape. Actually, you know what? Make it easier. Don't unscrew it. And break off a little electrical tape. And wrap it around. You ain't gotta cover it all up, but enough to where, you know, whatever is left over or the unneeded part is not exposed, or it won't be able to touch the black wire up or the ground. I'm gonna do this one just a little bit. Okay. Like I said, I'm doing this only because it's really, they say cut about an inch. So an inch will be from here to about right here. So we got actually about another ½ inch that's exposed. So we're going to take that up. Don't need no shortages, no electrical problems, none of that. I'll do this one. All right. Now, where were we? He was at the white, right? So we're gonna stick with it. Like I said, it don't matter which order you put it in. Stick them in there. You know, kind of turn it around to where. Let me see. There we go. That's what I want. Tighten it down so that don't go nowhere. All right. Don't want to strip it, but definitely want to tighten it down. And then we got our hot wires. All right. And then same as follows with these. Tighten it down. There we go. Now see, if you look at it from this end, we don't have no exposed wire. So now I'm going to connect our ground. It's a little short, so I gotta kind of push it back. Okay, gotta kind of twist and turn. Let's see. The screw is in the way. Check that out. All right. Kind of bend it in there. Screw it down. All right. Now, at this point, I would recommend testing your work, you know, with your tester at this point. So you can go ahead and do that. We should see the light. There we go. So there we go. That's how we know that our tester is working, our plug is working. Everything's working. So we're gonna turn it back off and you know, put it back in the wall. I'm gonna put this. We can. Well, I don't know. Just kind of form this. This is nothing but insulation, actually, for the plugs. So, so as you see, it's back off. We're good to go. Now you just gotta kind of maneuver. This might be kind of hard because let's see. You know what? Let's try from this way. Since this was the way that it originally was, because when I took it out, the ground is on the bottom. So, use a little force and maneuver the plugs around. Okay. So let's see if we can actually, these screws that came with it are actually not long enough. We're going to use the old screws. And then we can let the screws do our hard work for us when we kind of get it close enough. Because once you get it close enough, then we can just screw it in there, and the force from screwing the screws back on will get it where it needs to be. Okay. Okay. You can't see the holes, but I can. They kind of ducked off in there. So. Kind of at an angle. But anyways, yeah, you get the picture. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna take it back out and fix it. You get the picture. Once I get this straightened, I'll put this new cover on. Can't use the, old cover no more for obvious reasons. So I'll put the new cover on so you can see it's at an angle. So Once that's it, test it one more time. If everything is good, you're good to go. Other than that, I'll see you guys later on the next DIY.